Rais Ruto KAGUNIA rais muchimne muleni wa Nairobi na uwete ndi bakethira bakena makia maguri MBOLEO kuma chiringi ngiri 3.5 mwanga chiringi 2.5 akunia ka kilo 50 rais nedrete ageta na mbere na kuwa Kenya mwakeno ngiri 17 ne na milioni 39 gatanta ida ndatu champempe onto probo diritene ndi bugita ke mwakeno yo diatite ndio yo dira kena mwakeno ngiri 19 ne aredrete kwa dirikari yekieka kenda utira Murumi na KAGUNIA na kinya kuthiria kana ontobra bukitha bukithira kyokia NTHIGURUNE Nigikino kairi kiri arimi NTHIGURUNE ya Kenya kumania na ugambi wa rais bredrite nendi atumira kiana bukwirigirwa ko kiri arimi bunene.
Asante sana.
Gikino ki na kiumanĩtie na ntumiri ya rais wa NTHIGURUNE ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto aratumirĩtie kuongelwa kwa kigina kirwanyi rurimi rwa Agricultural Farmers Corporation arambecha hii chiongeli kuma bilioni yeli mwanka bilioni 10.
We are increasing the budget again as an intervention for the Agricultural Finance Corporation for seasonal crop lending from 2 billion shillings to 10 billion to facilitate affordable credit that will be available to our farmers. The credit will be provided at single-digit rates to further reduce our cost of production and enhance the productivity of our farmers. We have so many farmers that every season borrow money to buy inputs. The money that has been available has been between 2 billion and 2.5 billion over the years, which has not been adequate.
Ruto awite mwerekero ya thirikari yekie bottom up ni gutegira ukiri uchumi bwa NTHIGURUNE na bobo kaombika urimi bwethira buyukira kwa akiongela ninjira kinya utethia kuthiria mathina ya ngui.
The bottom up economic transformation agenda recognized that Kenya's poor economic performance was primarily due to underperformance of agriculture. Agriculture's contribution to employment, to incomes, foreign exchange, cost of living, and industrialization has two related implications. Low agricultural productivity was not only raising the cost of living, but also driving poverty among millions whose livelihoods are connected to agriculture. Now, as I've said, 70% of all employment is from the agricultural sector with its linkages in manufacturing.
Kiuge bwa rais Ruto mabroka barabethirite nende bakirumaira rwangiro rurimi ntuko chio nintale.
Just as we have maximized farmers' comfort by eliminating middlemen, brokers, conmen, and intermediaries in the distribution of inputs through ICT, we are also maximizing farmer returns from their produce by likewise removing brokers, middlemen, and others, as well as other perennial marketing challenges related to cereals and pulses.
Netete mbere no tumiria kinyabura thirikari yekie ithirite kirutaniria kire kwina maguri ya fertilizer ntobra wite na mbiririe kuma Ruto bichine ya rais.
Upon assuming office, therefore, I announced that the government would prepare farmers for the last planting season that was late last year by making available 300,000 metric tons or 6 million bags subsidized at 3,500 each, down from 7,000 a bag last season.
Rais Ruto narekeretie na kuwa thirikari ina mibango tigira rwangiro remine rokura kinyankuru kibonene na bo bakombekana na njira mwanya irio kwatanira na NTHIGURUNE ingi kenda kuguna arimi na urimi bo.
Our mechanization is currently at around 45%. It is the intention in the next 5 years to drive that to 75% mechanization in Kenya. The program that we already have in place is the first 10,000 tractors and other machinery. We are at the tail end of discussions between Government of Kenya and different suppliers who will be who we are going to demand that they set up assembly plants in Kenya to support our agricultural machinery delivery and also to support our productivity. We will be giving our farmers news before the end of the year